Hey everyone, if you've made changes to your website, updated your code, modified environment variables, or fixed bugs, you'll need to update your Vercel deployment so the latest version goes live. In this video, I'll show you how to update a Vercel deployment from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure all your changes have been tested locally. Run your application on your computer and verify that everything works correctly before deploying. Next, save your changes and commit them to your Git repository. If you're using GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, create a new commit with a clear description of your updates. After committing your changes, push the updated code to your remote repository. If your Vercel project is connected to GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, Vercel will automatically detect the new commit and start a fresh deployment. Finally, if an update causes problems, you can roll back by redeploying a previous successful deployment from the Vercel dashboard. And that's how to update a Vercel deployment in 2026. Whether you're publishing new features, fixing bugs, or updating configurations, Vercel makes it easy to keep your application up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.